Welcome to my channel. Special thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't done so, you have a nice opportunity to do that during the intro. Here we have battery tray holder that I designed in Fusion and 3D printed with PLA Plus. It's gonna fit the Carbon Cub S2 from Horizon Hobby, and you can pop in and out the battery. I'll show you the battery popping in right here. Every time you put it in and out, it's going to be in the same position, so follow along to see some more details on it. So I'll show you now the battery tray holder. This is the original battery bay from the Carbon Cub S2. Great plane, I really like it. You can put this in here, of course, and then tie down your Velcro strap. But you've got to get the position in the right place, too far forward, too far back. So you know, side to side, you're going to have to check your CG every single time you change the battery. What I did was I put a strip down here of Velcro to hold it down, but that kept tearing the foam out, so it wasn't really a great solution. That's why I made the battery tray here. So it's pretty lightweight as I could make it, still being strong enough. Our Velcro straps go through here and here. Okay, there I have written front. That's the front. So I'll just show you now how it goes in. Keep your cables up here. Cables will fit through that little notch there. So what we do is we put our Velcro straps through here. And then the next Velcro strap will go through. Mine is a bit short because I cut off a piece of it for some reason. But that goes through there. Push it down, keeping these two up. Like that. Keep our cables up through here. So I've already lost one cable, but that's my bind plug, which I don't really use so much. Okay, there we go. Push it down to the bottom. Now we have our Velcro here. And now every time I want to put the battery in, it's going to fit in the exact same place. Keeps it there in the center. All I got to do is strap it down. And right, we plug in the plane. This one I have some lights on just for fun. Close that down. Close the lid. There we go. And now I come along to change my battery. And it's very easy. Just disconnect it. Okay. Pop it out. There we go. Put it back in. Always in the exact same position. And that's it, fitted to the plane. Hope you find it useful. So, just to show you the weight, I have a little kitchen scale here. Pop it on. 13 grams. So it's not very heavy. Back to 0. So if you want to buy this, just find the links on my webpage. I can put up the designs. You can either 3D print it, or I'm going to start selling them on Etsy, because a lot of people don't seem to have 3D printers, or I mean, it takes a while to get all the settings right and set it up and everything. So if you just want to buy it straight away, then you can just go on my website. You'll find a link to the Etsy shop that I have recently created, and you can buy one. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful.